There's a deer here on the nature trail. It's kind of cool. Jake, walk. He's not doing much but hanging out, eating some fresh grass. Jake, shh. Jake, hey, look, he's walking on the trail. Jake, slow down. Look. He's just hanging out here on the trail. See him up? There's two of them. There's one on the right. Jake, easy. One on the right. We're getting closer.
Give me my belt.
Shh, Jake. Shh. They spotted us, look.
They running away.
Pretty friendly though, look. They must be used to people walking up here. Look. They're taking off, but they're not jetting. Jake, walk, and they won't move, bud.
What is this?
Two does here. And look, they seem to be pretty friendly. They're not worried. Look how close we're getting to these guys. Jake, did you quit moving? Hey, pick up your feet. Pretty cool to get that close. Look, and they're not even concerned like we're gonna hurt them or anything. I'm probably a good 20 feet from these guys right now. Jake, quit dragging your feet and they won't run, dude. Look. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Eating them fresh leaves, huh? Look at that. Got a little too close there. She's going jet. See what this one does. He's thinking. His ears are up. He's thinking. This is on the nature trail here in Ewing Park.
You don't want to
We saw these guys a couple years ago, I think, and they did the same thing. They let us get a good view of them here. What are they? I swear I followed these guys before.